welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this super easy look. It doesn't look easy, but I only use 2 shadows. Yeah, I only use 2 shadows and I think we're slaying. We are ready to go out and fuck it up. I'm just kidding. Anyways, let's go start with this look right here. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Glam Rosa. Please subscribe and join the Glam Squad. And now let's get ready to slay. Hey guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna be using my Truth Serum as always. I don't know, but I love to put this on my face. Now, so our face doesn't look all crusty throughout the day. I'm gonna go in with Clinique Dramatically Moisturizer. The name is so funny to me. Just a little bit is all we need. Now, to wake up our skin, I'm gonna go in with Mario Badescu facial spray. It smells so good. So our face can stay on all day. I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studios, a Blur and Smooth Primer. I love this, and it's drugstore. For today's foundation, I'm gonna go in with CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. I used to use this a lot, like last year in the summertime, and I kind of forgot about it, but today we're gonna give it a try again. But I love this foundation. I'm actually gonna be mixing 2 because I'm right in the middle. With my Sonia Kashuk sponge, I'm gonna do this all over my face. There's gonna be 1 layer, and then I'm gonna go in with another layer just to give it that full coverage look. Now that we have our face on, we're gonna add some light to it. I'm gonna go in with Tarte Tape Shape Concealer because it's also full coverage and it's amazing. There we go, and now we're gonna set it with my girl Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with this big old fluffy brush using my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder stool. There we go, and now moving on to the eyes. Now I'm letting my hair Now I'm letting my hair air dry, so if it starts looking a little bit cray cray, ignore it. For this look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A palette, Dare to Create palette. Whoa. But first, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I love doing this before I start. I just do. So grabbing that banana shade from the Light and Shade palette from Kat Von D, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. Now picking up my M441 brush from Morphe, I'm gonna go in with this orangey shade in the palette, and this is gonna go all over my crease. It's gonna be my transition color, so right here. So after I apply it there, now I'm going to smoke it out, diffuse it out. There we go. Now we have our crease blown out in this beautiful shade. Now I'm going to be moving on to this shade with this It brush from It Brushes, the crease side. Now I'm going to put this right on my crease line actually. I'm just going to pack that in there. Now that I put it down, now I'm going to smoke that out into the other color with no additional eyeshadow. I'm just going to fuse it out. There we go. Now I'm going to turn the brush around and I'm going to use this side as an all over shadow brush. And picking up that same shadow, now I'm going to pack this all over my lid. So just pack it on. Girl, I just died. Now picking up some concealer and a brush. I'm going to be using the Morphe M170/8 brush. This one. I am going to be cutting the center of my lid to do an halo. So I want it right here. There we go. Now I know they're not perfect, but once I put the shadow and all these other stuff, it's gonna come out perfect. I'm gonna be using this J-Cat Shine Your Day Shimmery Powder. I found this brand in H-E-B. I've noticed they have like a whole section of like eyeshadows, glitters, primers, foundation, eyebrow stuff. They have a whole collection and they're new because I've never heard of them or seen them. And I want to try out, I have some of their glitters and I picked some of these loose powders and I'm going to give them a try. Now watch the pigment on this. Now imagine wetting it, which I am. Before I do apply it, I'm going to add some translucent powder to the bottom of my eyes because this is a loose pigment and I do not want to mess up my face. Ta-da! There we go. Now I've grabbed a little bit. I'm going to set the concealer with it. Whoa. Now I'm going to wet the brush and pick up some of that powder again and go over it. Oh my god. Now picking up this other flat brush, I'm going to go in with that same burgundy shade that we were using, this one. And I am going to diffuse the side edges and kind of make it smaller.
To the bedroom, let me give you what you need. Y no te voy a negar. Estamos claros ya.
And there we go. I wiped off the extra powder. Now I'm going to move on to the bottom of my eyes. Using this brush right here. This is an e.l.f. brush. It's called an eyeliner brush, but I would not use this for an eyeliner. For my bottom lash, I'm going to go with this dark purple in the palette. And I'm going to line my bottom. Now picking up this other fluffy brush, I am going to be using both of these shades. Both of these. So I'm going to go 2 times in both of them. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm going to be smoking out the bottom of my eyes. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Becca Champagne Pop. I am so tempted to do an eyeliner. Should I? Give this video a thumbs up if you think I should give it a wing liner. Alright, we're gonna do it. I actually pick up 2 liquid liners from Milani. This is a Stay Put matte, which I love a matte liquid liner. So I'm gonna try. I'm so excited to use this one. And then I got this iTech Perfection. I can't read today. Liquid liner, water resistant, not feathery. We're gonna use this one today. Now, if there's anything I don't like about some matte liquid liners is that it might transfer. And I really hope it doesn't. I will let you guys know in my next video if it did. It's really black. The lashes that I'm using today are going to be from Lily Lashes, a Sephora collection in the style Paris. They're so pretty. There we go. I have my lashes on, mascara on my baby lashes, and now moving on to eyebrows. I'm going to be using the same old same because I love this formula. And if you haven't tried it, girl, jump on it, jump on it. There we go, eyebrows on fleek, if I say so myself. Now moving on to the rest of the face, I'm going to be setting it one more time with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now to cut these cheeks, you already know I'm going to go in with Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. I love using these two shades to contour, so I'm going to go 2 times in this one and then 1 time on this one. So 1, 2, 3, and cut. I got you, bone. Now to bronze up the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with a middle shade with this F40 brush. Cut the jawline, temples, I'm going to be highlighting the bottom of my eyes a little bit more with that middle banana shade. Now to highlight, I want a beaming highlight today because I want to glow to the gods. I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Applying it with my M504 Morphe brush. There we go. I wiped off my lips. They were looking nasty. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with this Raw Chocolate from Maybelline. It looks so pretty. And on top of that, I'm going to add this nude gloss from Maybelline. And there we go, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And leave me a comment down below saying hi, and I'll be replying back to you guys. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.